Hi, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how you would add a payment button to your website. So you would visit this website that I've included in a message for you. But it's important that you are signed in. You can see here that I am signed in. It won't work unless you are signed into PayPal, so you create a new button. Now there are many different options here. There's two that I think would be beneficial for you. Buy now is when someone makes a one-off payment. So say if someone's going to buy the service once and never pay again. But you can also do a subscription, which can be either monthly, you can do monthly, weekly, annually, biannually. So that is good if you plan to run like a monthly service. So you simply give it a name. So we can say package 1, set the price. You can do different currencies as well, and then you can, that's everything. You can choose your PayPal account if you have different PayPal accounts. There's many different options, but you can look at them in your own time. There's if you want the person to allow to order more than one quantity, but you can look through all them if you wish, and you click create button. Now you'll be taken to a page that says now add the code to your button. This is not the code that you want. The code that you want is the email code. So here we will take this code. Now we visit your website. I was a little bit unsure of the style of kind of different options that you had, so I created this table for you. You can add and remove more tables or remove them if you want. If you only have one package, then please tell me, because then we can create a kind of different layout. But let's say for example now we're going to make this button here active to the button that we just created. So we'd click edit page, and then we'd scroll down to the page and we'd see the second option here. We click edit, scroll down, and we see link. We would just copy and paste in the code that we've just created here, and then once we've done that, we click save, go to the top of the page, update, and that is it. We have just added a payment system to that page. Now, as I've said in my message, I could do this for you, but I would need your PayPal password and access, so I prefer to do it this way just for security. It's easier for me if you do it. And then we just click view page, we scroll down and we test the button to ensure that it works. Now it's just took me to the package that we created, the price. I would then log in here and then you would receive the payment. If you have any questions at all or you're unsure of the process, feel free to come back to me. But I feel that everything in the website now was ready to be passed over, so if you agree, then please confirm and then we can kind of sign off the project.